In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free shares on Trading 212. Now, the only way to do this currently is by using campaigns. And the way that it works is Trading 212 will have these campaigns that you can go and get a referral link. And then when you send it to friends or other people and they use your referral link, you can get the rewards. So to check the referral link or campaign, you want to head to these free stripes. You can also do this on the app. Inside of there, usually at the top, there will be like a gift or can be a referral guy. It will say something like get rewards or invite people or referral. Click on this one and you can see right here, get free shares worth up to 100 euros for each friend you invite to Trading 212. So that is basically how that works. Now, right now this campaign has ended, but usually they will make campaigns all the time. So if it's not currently available, just wait a little bit and probably they will have a campaign soon again. Now, there will be a link here if it's active, and this is the link that you want to send to people, and they need to click on that one and sign up. Now, keep in mind, usually there will be some kind of requirements when they sign up. Like it can be that they need to deposit money first before you guys get rewards, but that's just how it is. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.